Welcome to the second tutorial on peace and conflict. This lesson is about peacemaking in Christianity. Jesus taught the importance of peacemaking in the Sermon on the Mount. He said, "Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God." Jesus was preaching at the time of the Roman Empire. His way of establishing peace, through forgiveness, reconciliation and grace, was totally radical at the time. The Romans tried to establish peace by killing anyone who opposed them. Christians believe there can't be peace without justice. The Roman Catholic Church teaches that peace will only be achieved if the inequalities between people and nations are fixed. Can you remember what the bishops said in the Second Vatican Council? They said, "Peace on earth can never be achieved unless every person's well-being is safeguarded." Pax Christi, an international Catholic peace movement, tries to get governments to solve their disputes through talking and economic and social justice. Other Christian organizations, like the World Council of Churches, work for peace by campaigning against oppressive governments, keeping people informed about injustices around the world, and encouraging non-violent protests. Questions you might be asked about this are: explain 2 reasons why Christians believe peacemaking is important. Or de-evaluate the statement that there can never be peace in this world. In summary, Jesus taught his followers that they must seek peace, and this is a view that is supported in the work of many Christian churches and groups. Now, let's learn about conflict, the causes of it, and how Christians respond to it. See you in the next tutorial.